sounds like a plane more. Damn.
Dude. We'll roll towards Brandon.
Yeah, do it over here.
Right here.
God damn.
I squished my head like that.
Fuck yeah.
Did it hurt?
Do it closer over here. Oh shit. Nice.
He's not telling dude. He's fucking too windy.
I know, that shit ain't nothing. The wind ain't nothing out here right now.
Not for that brushes.
Guys! Uh-oh. Break.
Fly upside down, Brandon, can you?
Why feel with the seating?
Oh, you can't?
Nice.
Oh
Yeah,
shit.
yeah. Okay. Flew upside down.
It's getting a little ballsy here.
He's got 38 days.
I'd be scared.
Later.
38 days.
Nuts.
Look at.
Oh shit.
Yeah, you're pretty far out right there,
I'm
Brandon.
good.
Yeah, you are fucking far as hell.
Do it again. Toward.
Hell no.
That's why I fuck up. I go upside down like that shit.
Bring any extra batteries for this one?
You only got one.
Okay, good.
I wonder if that blue pack will work on there, Brandon.
Try to do like how you were doing before. Try to hit us. Remember we were
What do you mean?
Remember we were trying to hit the guy so we could see if it
Oh,
reset.
yeah, nah.
There goes the wheel!
Oh shit.
Here we go. We got
Oh,
problems
fucking
again.
emergency
Flight
landing.
101.
Emergency landing. Oh,
No.
it
Oh!
went out of control.
What the hell? God.
No, dude. You...
That shit straight nosedive. Damn.
Broken man.
Oh, what?